Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Shadee. And this week I'm going to review these vegan crab cakes by Mind Blown. I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So I found these particular crab cakes at Sprouts. They were $12.99, so I hope these things are good. Of course, they are plant-based. They have 110 calories, 1 gram of fat, 600 milligrams of sodium, and 8 grams of protein. So I'm gonna cook these up and let you know what I think, of course, in a few minutes. So once it's done, it looks like this. You can either use the air fryer or the stovetop, so between 6 to maybe 12 minutes, that's as long as it takes. So we're gonna go ahead and dig right in. It's giving like salmon croquettes, you know, so the texture it looks like. So let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. So just cutting it open, look how it looks on the inside. Okay. Here we go. Wow. These are actually really good. They did a good job. They better have for $12.99 for two. Yeah, these are really good. Go ahead, Mind Blown. You guys did a great job. Okay. I see y'all. You can taste all the seasonings. You can taste the seafood flavor. Again, this is soy-free, palm oil-free, plant-based. So yeah, if you've been missing out on some seafood, definitely try this for yourself. Again, here's another look at how it looks on the inside. It's delicious. So yeah, I liked it. Y'all need to try it. Go to Sprouts, $12.99. I forgot where it was. It was in the open frozen section in Sprouts. So yeah, I give this maybe an 8 out of 10. Yeah, I give it an 8 out of 10. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Try this out and let me know what you think. Thank you guys again. Bye.